Welcome back to Sophia's Passion for Cooking, where you find easy and tasty recipes. Today I'm going to take you to my summer garden. Are you ready? Here we go. I started seedlings for green beans, cucumbers, and zucchinis in April in my small greenhouse. I used toilet paper rolls and egg cartons to grow my seeds. My kids cleaned up the vegetable garden. First, let's go to the front yard to see the flowers. Look who is visiting us today. A box turtle. A bird nest in my rose bush. I just found it in June. Looks like they are ready to fly. This is clematis. Roses. Honeysuckle. More roses. Primrose. These are my curry leaves. These are foxgloves. This one is fenugreek leaves growing from seeds. It grows very fast. You can harvest it in 30 days. It's good for diabetes. I have a link in the description if you're looking for recipes. I planted my vegetables in the first week of June. I started a little late this year because of this pandemic. This is back in June, my second batch of green beans. I have some extra space here, so I just want to use this too. This one is zucchini. This is now at the end of July. They are double in size. Meet Blackbird. Hello, buddy. This is my main organic vegetable garden. I've been maintaining this one for the past 15 years, but this year we put the fence around it to keep the animals out. These are zucchinis. This is tomatoes. This one is bell pepper. This is cucumbers. You can see some mint leaves around the fence. We have a deer problem here. They normally jump over 5 feet high, so I put up these strings on the top to discourage them from jumping in. So far so good. I'm not sure whether it's going to help me or not, but it should also reduce the amount of animals like raccoons or rabbits. More beans. This is the end of June. Beans are starting to bloom. I planted just 2 eggplants this year. This one is spring onions growing from the seeds. This is potato. This is now first week of August. Cucumber is ready to harvest today. More cucumber. These are zucchinis. This one is ready today. I'm going to make zucchini bread. Check the link in the description for the recipe. I harvest green beans every 3 days. Everyone in my house loves fresh vegetables, especially cucumbers and beans. This side I've planted chilies. Look at this. Bell peppers and tomatoes. Today I harvested some potatoes, mint leaves, cucumber, green beans, tomatoes and zucchini. I'll update you on the garden again at the end of September. Till then, don't forget to watch my next video. Goodbye.